How to create, meditate and take care of yourself goal on Google Calendar. So hello guys, first thing you have to do, go to Google Calendar. Now go down here and click on this plus icon. Now choose the first one, it's goal, and now scroll down until you find me time. Click on it and choose which activity you want. For example, read, meditate, personal hobby. Let's choose meditate. How often? 3 times a week. How long? 30 minutes. Best time? Morning. And that's it for today's video. As you can see, now I just added my meditate goal just by clicking here. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.